In this video, we're going to show you how we took this Liberty Walk Nissan GTR from a full wrap with a full destroyed exterior and wheels and completely refinished it to look like this. All new with brand new paint. In this video, we're going to be going over this Liberty Walk Nissan GTR that we had the pleasure of actually rebuilding. This is how the GTR started out. We got it from another company, completely damaged, with a full yellow wrap, all the wheels curved, a ton of damage. We had to remove the wrap, get it all off, take a look at the inner fender wells that these guys had actually built. Never seen anything like that. They shoved plastic up there, cut the metal out, cut the plastic out, and then shove some dynamite around the wheel wells. It was pretty bad from what we could see. We had to do a lot of fabrication work to fix this. We had to take the whole vehicle apart because they had wrapped around all of the panels, including the mirrors, sail panels, A-pillars. Basically everything had to be removed out of this car because they had wrapped all the panels around the factory panels. So we had to basically take all the wrap off of the vehicle so that we could start fresh and almost start stock. If you can see all the plastic up in here, we had to remove all that and basically put all new pieces in. It was pretty bad. We took the Liberty Walk kit that was just basically in raw, and we started to basically prime it and paint it. This is the Nissan Black Opal that we used on this. There's only one of 80 basically we know of in the US of this color. To give you a little bit of an example of how much this costs, it's around $900 a pint. Definitely not the cheapest color to make out of any of the GTR colors. We finally got everything painted and cleared and started to reassemble the vehicle after all the work that we had put into it with all the new bodywork. We also had to remove all the hardware that they had installed on this Liberty Walk kit because everything had rusted out. We ended up using all new stainless steel hardware and new gaskets. We also had to fix the exterior paint because it was damaged. Good thing that it wasn't damaged too bad, so we could actually polish it, buff it, a lot of wet sanding to get it back to the normal situation that it was when it was stock. This vehicle was only a few years old when we received it, so the damage that had been done to this vehicle had only been 4 to 6 months the previous owner had this. We were actually hired by a company to build this vehicle for them because it was in such bad shape they couldn't even sell it. We went to great lengths to fix a lot of this. The front, basically splitter, if you want to call it, a front dam, basically was cracked in half. We had to fix that. The rear wing had to be completely taken apart, all the pieces taken off, all the stickers taken off of it and removed. We had to take the wing and take all the hardware out, completely replace it with all new stainless steel. The work that was put into this was probably one of the biggest jobs, second biggest job compared to the white GTR that we had to build. Most people would look at this vehicle and think it came this way. We had to put all the effort into it to make it look like this. The front dam is not shown in these pictures because we had to actually fiberglass it back, paint it with a satin black, and now we're reinstalling it in here with new splitter rods as well. We even took the headlights, wet sanded them, re-clear coated them because they were in such bad shape. The only thing that we did not do to this vehicle was repair the wheels that were completely curved, only because the person that was hiring us for this job did not want to spend the money to fix it. There was a lot of things that we were really upset about with after we fixed the vehicle that they did not want to pay for, because they said that they did not contract us to fix it, but we went ahead and did it anyways because we didn't want the vehicle rolling out looking in not tip-top condition. We strive for quality, and we were not going to let this vehicle leave without it looking completely fixed. The only thing that we did let it leave with was the wheels, only because they said they'd hire somebody else to fix those, so we left it at that.